I am back and I am bringing to you an updated plucking tutorial, honey. So let's get into it. So I had initially already basically plucked this entire side. I'm just doing the last step. Sir, can you back up a little bit, baby? Can you move? Thank you. Um, So yeah, I will show you how we got here, but I just wanted to start just so you can see like the outcome of what it's supposed to look like basically. So I always section off about an inch of hair. I pluck about an inch behind the hairline. And that's how I achieve like the scalp effect. And then I just go into where I see it's more dense and I just thin it out, you know, just to make it look realistic. It's kind of hard to explain, you guys. Hopefully, by watching the video, you can kind of see what I'm saying, but you just want to go in and just thin out those thick, bulky areas because it just doesn't look realistic. When you put that wig on, it looks like a wig. And I know that it is a wig, but it defeats the purpose if you can tell that it's a wig, if that makes any sense. Just follow this step. Always combing the hair back so I can see exactly where I'm plucking, how much I'm plucking in each section, so I don't pluck too much in a certain area. And I just go for the feel, constantly combing the hair back. And then I'll break that section into two more pieces, following the initial pattern and just constantly plucking to my liking. And then we're going to just take it, as you guys can see, and we're going to go in and we're going to thin that out because you want it to look like it is an actual scalp. That is the purpose. So yeah, that's just pretty much what I do. I will show you the results in a second, but while you guys are here, if you could please hit the like and subscribe button and share if possible, I would truly appreciate it. I enjoy making content for you guys. So this is the finished look, you guys. Please stay tuned for the install. Thank you for watching. Bye.